जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे
Years ago, when I was probably half my age now, I have the distinct memory of running in my building in my 3/4 with my Air India cap, threatening every boy in the building that जब मेरे पापा आएंगे तब तुम लोग मुझे बैटिंग दोगे. It's been 12 years since, but Papa never came home. And ever since then, I have been raised by a mother who, with a head held high, convinced me that Melroy, if you need batting, you do not need Papa. You just need a bat and run away the minute they don't let you bat. Along with her, to support her in raising me, I had 3 wonderful sisters who might have not done a very good job in raising me, but did manage to convince me that I am either adopted or probably picked up from the road, or definitely to hospital mein thoda adla badli ho gaya tha. In spite of all these wonderful saleswomanship skills that they had, I, on the other hand, never could quite convince them when they felt low, when they felt down, because I was just 11, I was just 12. Every time they were gripped with fear and loneliness, wondering if this fight with life is of any worth, I could not quite convince them. But like them, like my mom and like the 3 wonderful women who raised me, I never gave up. And courtesy of that attitude, today, 22 years later, I will go back home, and while I'm driving, I will feel proud, because I will be walking back home with 25 amazing testimonies, 25 amazing examples of women who said no, of women who made it worth the fight. Today when I go back home, I probably will go to my mom and I will not tell her that, Ma, you might not be one of those 25, but oh boy, you are 1 in a million. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Melroy Joseph Fernandez, and welcome to the Women's Iconza Awards 2021 by Marketing Mind and Times Applaud. Thank you. On a day as big as this, in front of an audience as elite as you, there is no room for mistakes. And if with my intro it's not clear yet, I am not capable for that. However, I know the perfect team. I know a set of people who are naturally equipped to lead from the front. I would now like to call upon our financial backbones, the pillars of this event, Mr. Dilip Kumar Ranawat, Mrs. Suman Agarwal, Ms. Nidhi Modi, and Mr. Praveen Vaishnani, along with our Corona warriors, Ms. Yogita Pandurang Jadhav and Rutuja Yuvraj Patna, to kindly come up on stage and show us the right way, show us the right path to start this blessed occasion with the lighting of the lamp. Requesting our guests to kindly come up on stage. Well, if it was not clear enough by now, today is all about iconic stories. Stories of glory, of failure, of success from bravery. Today is all about sparking an inspiration in everyone out here. But before we spark an inspiration to go out there and change something, it's time to break a leg maybe first, to add some thrill to this event. And worry not, we have the perfect group for you. A group who is well known for its performances at various award shows, like the Aditya Birla Awards, Miss India Beauty Pageant, MP GOV Awards, to name a few. They have a versatile dance, which look forward to accomplishing more and creating a good vision about their art form. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the Art Life Dance Group, consisting of the team Pankaj Soni, Abhinash, Darshana, and Pooja. A round of applause for them, please.
हर सवेरा यहाँ तू है, सब वहाँ है जहाँ तू है। कदमों में तेरे जन्नतें बिछी है, जलवों में तेरे शोहरतें छुपी है। तू खुदा की दुआ, सब्र से रब ने तुझको सजाया, धूप धूप जग तू है साया, तेरे रूप में सब कुछ पाया। रह के जमीन पर आसमां तूने छुआ है, आसमां तूने छुआ है, आसमां तूने छुआ है। तू उड़ाने को अपने जमा दे जहां, रास्ता ले आता है मंजिल वहां। जहां भी तू चाहे बना ले मकान, ये तेरी जमीन है तेरा आसमां। तेरे पहलू में खुशियां खेले, दुख तू झेले, तुझसे ही जलता है फिर क्यों जमाना। ज्योत से ज्योत जला के, आंख से आंख मिला के, रोशनी करती तू जाए, आग से हाथ मिला के। तू ही है होली दिवाली, तू ही है दशहरा, तू ही है लोरी वोरी, ईद की तू ही से भैया बबैया। सितारे तुझ में डूब गए, तेरा डेरा, तेरा बसेरा, सबकी भलाई में है, जग की भलाई में है। तुझ बिन सब कुछ सोना सोना, तुझ बिन कुछ न रहे जिंदा। घुटने टेक दे तेरे आगे, नाकामी हो शर्मिंदा। सब्र से रब ने तुझको सजाया, धूप धूप जग तू है साया, तेरे रूप में सब कुछ पाया। रह के जमीन पर आसमां तूने छुआ है, आसमां तूने छुआ है, आसमां तूने छुआ है। उड़ाने आसमां तूने छुआ है, आसमां तूने छुआ है, आसमां तूने छुआ है। उड़ाने हर सवेरा यहाँ तू है, सब वहाँ है जहां तू है।
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now with utmost pride and privilege that I introduce to you our chief guest for the afternoon, Mr. Vinayak Raoji. Born on 15th March 1954, he is a Shiv Sena politician from Vileparle, Mumbai, in the Maharashtra state of India. Mr. Raoji represents Ratnagiri Sindur constituency in the 17th Lok Sabha. Mr. Vinayak has been appointed as the group leader of Shiv Sena Parliamentary Party in Lok Sabha. Mr. Raoji was previously elected as a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly from Vileparle of Mumbai for 1999-2004 as the Shiv Sena candidate. Mr. Raoji was also elected as a member of Maharashtra Legislative Council from Shiv Sena Party in 2012. Sir, as I request you to come up on stage and grace us with your presence, I request you all to kindly give him a warm welcome. I invite Mr. Aziz Khan and Ms. Nidhi Modi to kindly felicitate our chief guest with a token of our love and appreciation. Please put your hands together and welcome them both on stage. So we thank you for your time and with utmost gratitude and respect for obliging us with your presence today. A round of applause, please. I now request Ms. Suman Agarwal to kindly come up on stage and join us as we now begin with the award ceremony. The award for today is for the best physiotherapist in Mumbai, Dr. Masuma Ladiwala. Dr. Masuma is a celebrity physiotherapist who aims at turning setbacks into comebacks. Her passion for her profession is unmatched. She has received many national awards for being the best physiotherapist. She is an inspiration for many young physiotherapists who look up to her for her hard work and dedication. Please put your hands together and welcome Dr. Masuma on stage. Next award is for the iconic sports personality, which goes to Tanaz Mohammad. Tanaz Mohammad is a sports management professional. She is also a national and international level hockey player. Tanaz is a grassroots development officer for Mumbai City Football Club and is also a head coach educator with Premier Skills. Her work in empowering women through sports has gained attention globally from FIFA to British Council to the Premier League. Thank you, Tanaz, for your dedicated work. Can we have a louder applause for her, please? Thank you so much. The next award today is for the icon in jewelry designing and life coach, which goes to Pragya Goswami. Pragya Goswami, as a self-growth catalyst, started a professional career as a jewelry entrepreneur 11 years ago. She is a GIA certified gemologist and jewelry designer, running a company, Krish Abba Jewelers, under the brand name Revanche. Let's welcome her with a round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Up next, we have the award for iconic leader in EdTech. This one goes to Suhani Sinalkar, professional with 10 years of enduring experience in education industry, highly skilled in maintaining and creating professional relationships with clients, extensive knowledge in business management, planning, and solving critical problems. Please put your hands together and welcome Ms. Suhani on stage. Thank you, Ms. Suman. I now request Mr. Samir Khan to kindly come up on stage and join us as we continue with the award ceremony. Our next award is for iconic motivational speaker, Mrs. Sakshi Ashish Boyte. Mrs. Sakshi, an educator, wanted to do something unique selflessly. She started working as an educator for standard 9th and 10th, with main subjects being maths, in one of the branches of Ryan International Group of Schools. She is an enthusiastic educator who believes in teaching experiences and training lively with hands-on topic. She started motivational talks with students, training them how to live lifely. Please put your hands together and welcome Mrs. Sakshi Ashish on stage. A lot of applause, please. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Our next award is for the iconic architecture and interior designer, Trupti Puranik. Mrs. Trupti Sailesh Puranik and her accomplishments as an interior designer. Do you have dreams and do you want the motivation to follow your dream? Mrs. Trupti Sailesh Puranik is one such lady who changed the course of interior designing in India. Further, an alumnus of JJ School of Architecture, Mrs. Trupti Sailesh Puranik is a leading interior designer with technical expertise and sound design skills for the last 15 years. Please give her a warm welcome. A round of applause, please. Thank you. Thank you so much for your work. Next award is for excellence in dermatology and cosmetology. This one goes to Dr. Ruchi Biswas. Dr. Ruchi Biswas, Curefield Clinic, well known in the field of dermatology and cosmetology, has been practicing since the last 11 years in Chembur, Mumbai. Holistic vision of giving treatments for wellness and illness. She is also the winner of Miss India Global Queen 2021. Come on guys, she deserves a louder applause. Thank you so much, Doctor. Up next, we have the award for excellence in salon and academy, which goes to Namrata Pandit. She has 15 glorious years of professional experience as a cosmetologist and hairstyle expert. She is the founder of Rua Salon and Academy. Her passion in beauty industry has brought her here, and we have heard from someone great that one should rather die than living without passion. Please put your hands together and welcome Ms. Namrata Pandit. Thank you, ma'am. Our next award is for excellence in homeopathy and acupuncture. This one goes to Dr. Bhavna Trivedi. Dr. Bhavna, an MD homeopath from the British Institute of Homeopathy, along with a team of professionals, runs an ISO certified clinic called Healing Touch Center. Health and Holistic Committee of Indian Merchant Chambers, Ladies Wing. Legal Committee of the Indian Merchant Chambers. Thank you so much for your work, ma'am. Thank you, Mr. Samir. Now, I would like to request Mr. Dilip Kumar to kindly join us on stage as we continue with the award ceremony. Mr. Dilip Kumar is the director of MI Sumit. Thank you, sir. Our next award is for iconic astrologer, Parul Agera. Mrs. Parul Agera, known as Lady Astrologer, practicing astrology from the past 15 years in Lokanwala, Andheri West. She has been a guiding light to numerous amount of people and has helped them to achieve their dreams and goals. Please give her a warm welcome as we thank her for her generous work. A lot of applause, please. Thank you, ma'am. Our next award is for signage expert Founder and creative director, Dimple Pandey. The humble nameplate is the first impression of the home decor. Dimple Pandey has a successful brand design and has pioneered in carving a path by giving a vision to the way we look at the identity of the home and business entities. Her individually curated bespoke signages and wall art is the most sought out by celebrities across Bollywood, sports stars, and industrialists across the world. Please put your hands together and give her a loud applause. Thank you so much. Our next award is for prominent lawyer and social activist, Ms. Sandhya Jadhav. Sandhya Jadhav has been practicing law for the last 15 years. She has been working in the Thane district and Sessions Court. She has worked with many social organizations. She is also interested in social work since childhood, having helped many people in need. She has been honored by Jija Samaj Ratna Award on 21st All India Navneet Marathi Sahitya Sammelan. We thank you, ma'am, for your generous work. Thank you, ma'am. Our next award is for iconic dental health expert, Dr. Kavita Bhatt Kumar. Dr. Kavita Bhatt Kumar is the founder of Designer Smiles, a multi-speciality dental care center in Villeparle East, which provides comprehensive oral health solutions. She has successfully created, nurtured, and developed a loyal clientele of over 15,000 patients by inculcating trust, goodwill, and confidence. We thank you for your work, Dr. Kavita. Can you please have a louder applause for all the generous work? Up next, we have an award for the world record holder artist for blindfolded Ganesha idols. This one goes to Ms. Rama Shah. Mrs. Rama Shah, born in a land of cultural heritage, is attracted by the artistic culture of the country. She has been inclined to the art, music, craft to a remarkable extent. Being a theist, her devotion towards Lord Ganesha inspired her to draw herself in idol making. A lot of applause, please. Thank you, ma'am. The next award is for Iconza for exemplary digital presence. This one goes to Reem Sameer Sheikh. Reem Sameer Sheikh is an Indian television and film actress. She is known for a portrayal of young Kaurvati in the TV series Chakravartin Ashoka Samrat. Thank you so much for your work. Thank you so much, sir. I would now like to invite Ms. Nidhi Modi from the Modi Groups to kindly come up on stage and join us in the award ceremony. Please put your hands together and give her a warm welcome. Our next award is for outstanding services in women's health care. This one goes to Dr. Jayanti Kamath. Dr. Jayanti Kamath, MD, trained in advanced infertility services in Israel, director of Shrishti Fertility Care Center, one of the best IVF centers in Mumbai. She has made the dream of parenthood come true to many couples. Thank you so much, Doctor. Our next award is for iconic spiritual candle therapist, Pranita Mittal. We all have used candles and have dealt with their manufacturers and traders too. But here is something different about this person. She is not just a manufacturer, but also a therapist. Her business name is Golnar's Divine Magic, and she is in the candle business for the last 7 years now. Her passion for her business makes her to aspire to be the leading candle manufacturing company across the world. Talking about her key to success is her inspiration to generate employment for the needy. Please put your hands together and welcome Ms. Pranita Mittal on stage. Thank you, ma'am. Our next award is for excellence in law. And this one goes to Advocate Vijay Lakshmi Kopade, a fiery lawyer who maintains calm while handling the most critical criminal cases. She has been practicing law since 2011 before various trial courts, tribunals, and High Court. She also runs an initiative by the name Victim Protection and Empowerment Shelter, providing quality legal representation to the ones who cannot afford it. Please give her a loud applause. Thank you, ma'am. Our next award is for excellence in humanitarian and promoter of social welfare. This one goes to Rani Mahant. Rani, wife of late Mahant Arunji, has been managing the famous Picket Road Hanuman Temple for the last 35 to 40 years. She has earned tremendous love and respect by the devotees and the staff over her time there. She has been an inspiration for many women having faced and overcome a number of challenges, especially women in space of dominated men. She is a life member of the Maharashtra State Women's Council. While we pay our respect to her, I would please request you to kindly give her a loud applause until she joins us once again. Our next award is for excellence in gynecologist, Dr. Kanchan Gupta. Dr. Kanchan was born in a small town, but always had big dreams to become a doctor. She studied abroad, but was always certain that she would return to India to serve the country. She is an accomplished gynecologist and has conducted medical camps all across the country. In addition to being a doctor, she is a philanthropist, a wife, a mother, and a grandmother. Please give her a warm welcome. Thank you, ma'am. I now request Mr. Brujulal Vaishnani to kindly come up on stage and join us as we go ahead with the award ceremony. Our next award is for the Iconza for the best mom YouTuber and influencer. This one goes to Chavi Mittal. Chavi Mittal is an actress and a mommy blogger. She has a huge following on Instagram and is extremely popular for her candid and engaging content. Her YouTube page, Shitty Ideas Trending, is wholesome and a treat for your senses. Please put your hands together and give her a warm welcome. Our next award is for Akarona Warriors. This one goes to our police personnel, Ms. Yogita Pandurang Jadhav and Rutuja Yuvraj Patel. We thank you for all your hard work and support during these difficult times, ma'am. Your humility, kindness and strength are greatly appreciated. I request everyone to please give them a loud applause. Thank you for all your work, ma'am. Our last award for the day is for iconic producer, Exhibit Productions, Bharati Mahapatra. The story of Bharati Mahapatra is from meager to mint. She lives by the words, the contribution of a delicate heart, zealous mind, and inspirational soul leads to growth. Please put your hands together as we welcome her on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Brujlal, sir. I would request Mr. Raoji to kindly say a few words for everyone present here.
Firstly, congratulations to all award winners और मुझे खुशी हुई कि इस और संस्था के माध्यम से आप जैसे एक कर्तृत्ववान महिला का सम्मान इस मंच पे हुआ और आपने ये साबित कर चुके हैं कि कड़ी मेहनत, कड़ी प्रयास और जो सक्सेस प्राप्त करने की आवश्यकता थी, उसके लिए जो मेहनत करने की आवश्यकता थी वो आपने करके आपने आज का अवार्ड प्राप्त कर दिया है। फिर एक बार मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ, आपका अभिनंदन करता हूँ, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि ये सारे कर्तृत्ववान महिलाओं का सम्मान आज इस मंच पे आपने किया, मुझे यहाँ बुलाया, मैं भी आपका आभारी हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Moving forward, I would now like to invite Mrs. Nidhi Modi on stage, along with Ms. Nirmika, to have a panel discussion where they share their views on what it is like being a dominant force, being a female dominant force in a rather male dominant space. Please put your hands together as we welcome them on stage. I would like to, we all know that this goes without saying that it is extremely difficult to create a name for yourself when you are, let's say, perceived as the weaker force in a rather male-dominated space. However, we all know that's not true. But how does one from a middle-class family enter into a space dominated highly by the opposite gender and manage to come up above the oppressing force?
All right, first of all, thank you so much to everyone who's who's organized this. Thank you so much to the organizers. Rauji, thank you so much. आप लोगों ने बहुत ही अच्छा समारोह रखा है. मेरा नाम है निर्मिका और I'm sure this is everyone's won an award, तो हम आपका ज़्यादा time नहीं लेंगे. But I think it's amazing that women from across the fields have been felicitated today. और बहुत ही कम दिखने में आता है कि women who are gynecologists or people from the admin services getting awarded. तो मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. I'm sure it was a great honor. For people who do not know me, and I'm sure there are quite a few, मेरा नाम निर्मिका सिंह है. मैं एक journalist हूँ. I run Rolling Stone India, which is the Indian edition of the world's greatest music magazine. It's an American magazine, and I head the Indian edition. Apart from that, I'm a poet and a songwriter. So I'm sure you will have a lot of things to share as well. But there's only one thing that I will tell everyone here, mostly महिलाएं हैं, कि मेरे लिए the biggest battle was internal. तो मेरी जो पहली जंग थी वो खुद से ही थी. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगी, मैं कवि हूँ, जज्बात लिखती हूँ, तो 2 लाइनें ही सुना दूँगी कि मैंने खुद से जंग लड़ी है आज, मैं जीतूँगी खुद के लिए. So सबसे पहली जंग खुद से ही होती है. You're gonna face the world much later. The first battle is all internal. मैंने खुद से जंग लड़ी है आज, मैं जीतूँगी खुद के लिए. मैंने चुप्पी साधी सदियों से, गाऊँगी आज खुद के लिए. बहुत सारी लेडीज़ हैं, they feel very shy and very guilt tripped जब उनको अपने लिए खुद के लिए कुछ करना होता है. सारी मदर्स और वाइफ्स अपनी आइडेंटिटी मदरशिप से या फिर मदरहुड से या फिर वाइफहुड से ही डिराइव करती हैं. तो मैं सारी लेडीज़ को बोलूँगी कि शर्माए ना. ये शर्म जो है, जो गिल्ट जो है, दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट ईट्स यू अप फ्रॉम इनसाइड. तो खुद को भी पहले रखना. सोचिए, आप खुद का उद्धार करेंगे तो ही दुनिया का कर सकते हैं. मैंने खुद से जंग लड़ी है आज, मैं जीतूँगी खुद के लिए. मैंने चुप्पी साधी सदियों से, गाऊँगी आज खुद के लिए. मैंने खूब अमावस देखे हैं, मैंने खूब अमावस देखे हैं, रोशन अब मैं खुद के लिए. ज़रा जी ले हम, ज़रा जी लो तुम, ज़रा जी ले सब खुद के लिए. तो प्लीज़ खुद के लिए जिए, इसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है. एंड दैट्स द ओनली थिंग आई वांट टू शेयर हियर.
Welcome everyone to MG Mumbai. It's a pleasure hosting all of you all today here. Seeing all you women, unstoppable women at this level, it is absolutely a pleasure, and I wish to keep seeing you grow miles and miles ahead. and all the best for it. You know, a wise person once said that if women understood and they worked on their dreams, they understood themselves, they would remake the whole world. Yeah, this is a quote given by a very wise person. And when you think of this, ऐसा लगता है कि we are going on a fight, we are going on a war. But when you think about it, is this war with the world? Just like she said, when I think back, I feel that it's to do with our own guilt. Guilt of not being anywhere, guilt of not reaching out to our responsibilities and all kinds of responsibilities. The responsibility of even being here today is a very big responsibility, right? So I think, like she said, I truly agree. We're not fighting the world. We need to all fight within. The mindset that we're not encouraged comes a very long back. When the culture was not allowing us, the education was stopping us. But today we have everything with us. It's something to do within to promote ourselves, to not derail our careers, and keep going till we enjoy and cherish every moment of our life. So I think I must also put in a thought to all of you all that look at us. What makes us different than others is. We don't just think, feel, believe. We also have sense. We also perceive. And also we have a very strong intuition. And this intuition is something that we can see the world with a very different lens. That makes us different than others. Our EQs, our skills that we look at, these are things that we need to promote. This is an individual aspect of every woman that can be nurtured to make this world a better place to live in. We should do what we are good at, and we should support each other and go a very, very long way instead of feeling guilty about anything. For us, we need to keep going, and we're all going. So all the best, everybody. Want to see all of you all at new heights, and congratulations for the award.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, before you go, I would like to read a quote by you. Where you said, if women understood and exercised their power, they could remake the world. Could you elaborate, ma'am?
This is exactly what I meant. So I took you to the same quote, just putting in two aspects. The one is to play with your guilt, and second is work on your strengths. And that's exactly that came out of me, that when you are guilty, you feel people are discriminating. I think there's no place and time for discrimination. It's all about pushing your limits, enjoying yourself, cherishing every moment. And when you go back and think that how can we be different, is our emotional quotient, our intuition that goes a very long way. These are things that help us to be a little different, have a very different angle to every aspect of our life, of being a mother, being a wife, a working woman, being an entrepreneur. And this is what we should be using to our privilege and reaching out to the world and making the whole big difference that I'm talking about. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, the board deserve a louder applause, please. Thank you, Ms. Nirmala.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms.
Thank you, everybody.
Well, wow. I understand that was surely a lot to take. A lot of inspiration, a lot of motivation, a lot to learn from, a lot to understand, a lot to practice, hopefully. But before we come down to, the serious end and the business end of today, I personally would like to tickle your funny bone. And for that, I have someone perfect in mind. From putting together sappy rhyming words in childhood to writing songs for brands, her journey with words has been a long one. Armed with a mass communication degree in advertising and creative writing flowing through her veins, she has been a part of the industry for a few years now. A bunch of internships and a couple of jobs later, she has been writing her way up, seeing where it takes her. All this might sound too intense, but deep down, all she really wants is a good cup of coffee, a couple of lame puns, and an unending reruns of Schitt's Creek. Ladies and gentlemen, Please put your hands together as we welcome a poet today, Zainab Changi.
Hi everyone, I'm Zainab Changi and today I'm performing a poem that I've written keeping each one of you amazing, wonderful and talented women in mind. Don't ever forget that you rock. Shh. Do you hear that? The click-clack of her heel, the loud thud of the car door as she sat behind the wheel. Where is she going? Is it really hard to wonder? I mean, after all this time, do you really have to ponder? You told her to behave, you told her what to wear. But regardless of what she wore, you didn't just glance, you stared. When her aspirations flew high above your imagination, it scared you, didn't it? So you chained her down. You made her care for home and children. She went from being her father's burden, she came as a wife, got treated as a servant. Shh. Do you hear that? She's going faster than light, chasing something in the air, something that resembles feeling light. Where is she going? Well, wait and see. She's driving her own wheels of fortune, going far away, further, until she's free. The game of Chinese whispers when her period came, the paper wrap pad in the black plastic bag of shame. Red. Doesn't it stand for passion? It stands for power, for love, the strongest emotion. But when associated with a woman, it stands for impurity. It instills inferiority. It thrives on insecurity. It literally defines your mortality. Shh. Let her keep going. She can't stop now. She won't stop now. But where in the world is she going? Is there even a destination? This place sure sounds fun, but maybe a little utopian. No matter how many novels she may have bestsellered, no matter how many patients she may have doctored, how many inventions, advancements, areas of education she may have mastered, no matter how many personal battles she may have conquered, your backward mind, your shallow brain will still not fail to wonder, oh, she works? What about her family? Oh, I wish she'd been a better mother. Well, it's time. It's time to bid goodbye to this big fat lie, the notion that the womankind is the inferior humankind. It's time to speak out loud and give the facts a little shout out. Her choices are her own. Respect her either way. If she chooses to dress in shorts and a crop top, you may think you do, but you really don't have a say. Her red is pure, and her no is for sure. There's a difference between a creepy touch and a hug that feels warmer. But if you insist that there's no difference, maybe you're doing the former. When she talks out loud, or when she hangs with her crowd, don't tell her it's not ladylike, because then that will rile her up, and like a girl, she will fight. Shh. She is gone. She was driving away from this backward society, far away from patriarchy. Let's hope we all can join her, and once and for all, win this battle for equality. Let this fictional place, a figment of my imagination, one day become a reality. Thank you so much.
Next up, once again, we have one of the most passionate filmmakers out there that there is, Miss Bharti Mahapatra. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I probably do have an introduction to the film made by this young filmmaker, this passion-driven filmmaker. but I do not think I will be doing justice to it. So I will take a step off and I will request, ma'am, if before we premiere your wonderful work of art, if you could just tell us a little about how much you love and care the feeling.
Well, let us see the movie first. Tell you a few things about the film. This is a concept which was hammering inside my head. During the COVID times, we all were down with a lot of things in our head, like sanitize karo haath, mask pehno, ghar mein raho, don't go out, meet people, don't hug them, don't talk to them, maintain distance, lot of things. And when we were talking to our kids also, we are feeding so many things to them. जब भी खाना खाओ, हाथ धो, हाथ sanitize करो, lot of things we were like telling them. And I'm a mother of two children. My younger son is 6 years old. My elder son is 12 years old. Now, one day my younger son said, if I had to buy you a gift, how would I buy it? Because I do not have money on me, so how would I buy? I will exchange a toy for you if I had to buy a gift for you. So that is how I got this concept. And filmmaking was always there in my mind that someday, if I had a chance, I will get into this filmmaking industry. So during the COVID times, I thought once the unlock 1, unlock 2 happens, I would start my dreams, making my dreams into reality. This concept
was then, you know, मैंने सोचा कि ये चीज़ जो है, I will start making this dream into reality, and this is how this was conceived. There is no dialogue in the film because I wanted this to reach to everyone. The deaf and dumb would also understand without with looking into the video. So there is no dialogue in the film. Now this is a very small budget film. This is my first debut movie. This has been appreciated in SRFA Cannes. पहला movie है वर्ल्ड में जब भी मैंने फेस्टिवल्स में इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल में डाला, इट हैज़ बीन अप्रिशिएटेड देयर, सो इट गेव मी अ बूस्ट इन माय करियर. आई वांट टू थैंक द टीम हु हैज़ सपोर्टेड मी, हु had similar kind of vision like I had. I want to thank my family, my husband, my children, my mother-in-law, who stood by me, who was like, they were like strong pillar, and everyone who were there in my journey, who supported me throughout, and above all God, who I think unke bina kuch possible nahi hota. Thank you so much for watching the movie, and this was the premiere, first time यहाँ पे मैंने premiere किया. इसके बाद you can follow us on YouTube and Instagram on my handles. Thank you so much.
Please give it up for writer and comic from Mumbai, Zainab Habil.
Good afternoon, ladies, and some more ladies, and the 2.5 men who are present at this venue. A very, very, very warm welcome to everybody present here. Can I just begin by saying how much I love being in a room full of women? Mainly because it's so comforting, because I know that any emergency requirement that I have will be met with within this room. Makeup, tampons, safety pins, bobby pins. I didn't even carry my lipstick from home because I was like, koi na koi to de hi dega. Right? But honestly, the energy here is invigorating. Our host is lovely. He's trying his best to hold everyone's attention together. And I am his next best hope. So I would like you all to give me 5 minutes to make you all laugh. Thank you very much. But yeah, the energy here is extremely invigorating. Not because all you lovely women are getting recognized for all the good work you do, that's whatever, but the room smells fantastic. Like, I genuinely feel like I have entered the perfume section of Shoppers Stop. I apologize to any women in advance if you all find me sniffing around here later. I'm sorry, ma'am, I can't help it. You smell like a meadow. But now that we are at a Women's Award, let's take a minute to appreciate how far we have come as an urban audience to bridge the gender divide that has been spoken about so much. Yes, a round of applause for everybody who has made all the women come here. And yet, I met a young, charming, confident man at a bar recently who came up to me, which he shouldn't have, and asked, "So, what do you do?" And I'm like, "Oh, I'm a stand-up comedian." And he was like, "Oh, nice, you're a female comic." And I was like, "Oh, no, you're a human dumbass." I never understand why we put these gender-centric adjectives in front of what women do. Female author, female doctor, female engineer. I don't know if people understand or not, but the female comes with us when we go to work. It's not like we can wake up in the morning and be like, should I take my vagina with me and go to work today, or should I just leave it behind? Purse वैसे भी छोटा है. It's not like they make pockets in our clothes anyway. Speaking of pockets, you see these pants that I'm wearing? You think these have pockets? It looks like it has pockets, right? It's stitched. What kind of a monstrous designer puts a pocket on a pant and then stitches it shut? Just a part and parcel of women's fashion. I love driving, absolutely love driving, but I hate driving in a man's world, because when I was young, I was driven around by my father, who would look at a car from 1 mile away and say, "Pakka lady driver." What has happened is that now when I drive, imagine him saying this made me feel like I was going to suck at something 15 years before I had to even do it, right? So now whenever I'm driving, I can feel the penetrating gaze of men from all around me and I know what they're thinking, which is why I'm a terrible driver. You see what's happening? It's science. It's a vicious cycle. But speaking of driving, jokes apart, my personal trigger is driving in Bombay. Because it's like, does anyone know what the game Tetris is? That block game where you just assemble the blocks into a very complicated pile, like a puzzle, right? Driving in Bombay is like playing the worst game of Tetris, except you are sitting inside the block. Especially with what the roads are like right now. Just imagine this. Give me 1 second and think about this. Think about a person who has never been to Bombay personally, right? They have only heard of Bombay or seen Bombay in movies or pictures or videos and heard stories about Mumbai. And imagine bringing them to Mumbai right now. They'll be like, where is the city? We thought Mumbai was done being entirely built. This looks like the first 3 days of construction. Because let's be honest, an excavation site has less dug up spaces than Bombay roads right now. And my favorite part about this city are almost always the people who come from outside the city and live here, because they are our true mirror. We don't even we are so romantic about Bombay. We are always just so enamored by the city with our Bombay is an emotion, not a city attitude, that we will never see what this city actually is like, right? बारिश के मौसम में we're like, हाय बॉम्बे की बारिश कितनी अच्छी है, काश पूरे साल बारिश होती रहती. And somebody from outside of Bombay is looking at us like, तुम float कर रहे हो on a boat that you have made out of a broken piece from a foot-over bridge. What are you so happy about? But lastly, my favorite people from those who come from outside of Bombay and live here are North Indians. Any North Indians in the crowd here? Nobody from North India? Lovely, I can make this joke without worry. So, my favorite part about North Indians is them when it gets cold in Bombay. Did we all have a good last few months when it was nice and pleasant in Bombay? Yeah? We remember the little winter we had. We got out of our house and we didn't instantly melt. Yeah, I think it was very pleasant. So, my favorite part about North Indians is that they hate Bombay winter so much because they are so possessive about how cold it gets in North India that they have decided to dismiss Bombay winter as a concept entirely. You know, they're like, this is a joke and we will not participate at all. They are wearing shorts everywhere as a sign of protest. What's funnier is that this one man from Delhi came up to me and he yelled at me when I was praising Bombay winter. He was like, ये ठंड नहीं है, समझी ना, ये मजाक है. तू दिल्ली आ, मर जाएगी. And I'm like, correct, but that's because of the crime rate, no? Why do you have to bring weather in the middle? That's all from me. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day.
Thank you so much, Zainab. Well, it is true that no event is possible without the tireless hours and the sleepless nights. And I have the perfect duo has done the exact same thing in order to put this together. Please put your hands together as I welcome on stage the brainchild of marketing media, Mr. Shubham Sachdeva, along with Tausif Patel from Times Applaud. Please put your hands together and welcome them. I would also like to invite Mr. Ranayak Rautji to kindly come up on stage as we will now felicitate the backbones of our event, that is our financial pillars, our sponsors. First up, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Dilip Kumar Ranawat from MI Sumit. MI Sumit, the leader in kitchenware, needs no introduction, as it has been an inseparable name in many Indian kitchens. Over the years, MI Sumit has been offering an extensive range of kitchen appliances, kitchenware, and kitchen tools. Be it the routine chores or party separations, Sumit offers you just the right solution for all your needs. Please put your hands together as we welcome Mr. Dilip Kumar Ranawat. A round of applause for him, please. Thank you so much, sir, for all your support. Up next, we have town developers. And I would like to call on stage Mr. Brujlal Vaishnani. Mr. Brujlal Vaishnani of IBE Town Developers builds dream homes. He designs with so much passion and provides the comfort that we all desire in this beautiful journey of 3 decades from designing to building and providing people with the best of homes. Thank you so much, sir, for all your support. We highly appreciate it. Can I have a round of applause for him, please? Next, we have Mrs. Suman Agarwal from International Marwari Federation. Social work runs in her blood as her grandfather, Mr. Hukum Chand Bansal, was a freedom fighter. She is the president of Marwari International Federation and has consistent work in the welfare of the downtrodden. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your goodwill. Up next, we have Mr. Sameer Khan from Hotel Clifton. Formed with by desired professionals from the hospitality field, Mr. Azam Sheikh and Mrs. Anamika Sarkar, sister group, began their journey from 2018 with a purpose to bring a much needed change in this industry. Coming forward with an experience of more than a decade, their firm belief and experience has found the way ahead of the manpower, handling and management driven approach. Thank you, sir, for all your support. I would now like to invite Mr. Abhijit Chauhan and Mr. Patil from MG Group. MG Motors from the Modi Group, requesting you to kindly come up on stage, sir. So Rajiv Patil. Modi Group was established in 1932 and is an authorized dealer of the brand such as Morris Garages, Audi and Hyundai in Mumbai and Thane region. The world may be too big for us, they say, but at MG, we believe change begins with a few, the ones who lead from the front and inspire others to do the same. Time for a group photo for all our sponsors. Along with our heads, Mr. Taufik Patel and Mr. Shubham Sachdeva. Ladies and gentlemen, trust me, this would not have been possible without any of these standing on stage here. They deserve a louder applause. Thank you so much. Before we go ahead, I would like to invite Ms. Nidhi Modi and Mrs. Nirmika Singh on stage to give us a helping hand in felicitating the wonderful artists for all the good work they have done here today. A round of applause for these two wonderful women, please. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Up next, we have our very own young stellar talent, Harsh and Cameron, 20-year-olds who have teamed up to perform for us. Harsh is an actor and a musician who shared the stage with Ayushmann Khurrana, Mir Brothers, to name a few. Cameron, on the other hand, has realized his passion for music and wishes to touch people's lives with it. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we encourage young talent here at the Women's Icons Awards 2021 and welcome on stage Harsh and Cameron. Please give them a loud applause.
There's a song called Ori Chiraiya. I'm sure many of you might have heard it. The lyrics are incredible, so I'll start with this song. Ori Chiraiya, si chidaiya, अंगना में फिर आ जाए। किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुनके अंगना में फिर आ जा रे कोई चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे तेरे पंखों में सारे सितारे झड़ू तेरी चूनर कनक सतरंगी बुनू तेरे काजल में मैं काली नैना भरूं तेरी मेहंदी में मैं कच्ची रूप मनूं तेरे नैनों सजा दूं नया सपना कोई चिड़ैया तेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे कोई चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is brighter than tomorrow. If you cry, you find there's no need to cry. This place, you find there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Make the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people out here if you care enough for the living. Make a little space for you and for me. You won't know why there's a love that can't lie. It's strong if we cares for joyful giving. We stars shall see in this bliss we cannot feel. Joy of existing and start living. Feels that always love's enough for us going. Make a better world. Make a better world. Make the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people out here if you care enough for the living. Make a little space for you and for me. Oh, oh, बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है अब तो वैसे अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है अब तो वैसे अपनी ये नाव है Thank you very much, guys.
We truly believe that every artist who performed here today who shared their heart, who shared their art, and who shared their music, was definitely of the highest caliber and deserved the appreciation from the highest order. And to do that, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Pankaj and Mr. Akshat as we felicitate all the great work and all the great performances that took place on this stage today. Requesting once again Mr. Pankaj and Mr. Akshat. Okay, moving forward, could we have Zainab Changi? A round of applause for Zainab, who moved us with her words, who made her way to our heart, penning down her thoughts, her emotions. A round of applause for Zainab, please. Zainab Changi. And from one Zainab moving forward to the other, we have on stage with us Zainab Habil, who with her humor tickled our funny bone. Thank you so much, Zainab. Next up, could we please have our duo, our 21-year-old singer-songwriting duo. Could we have Cameron? Could we have on stage Cameron Criedo and Harsh? Requesting you both to kindly come up on stage. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mrs. Rama. Thank you, sir. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of this award ceremony. If given the option, if given the chance, I would go on talking. But guess what? Lunch is served, so over and out. My name was Melroy Joseph Fernandez, and it was a pleasure hosting to you. Goodbye, take care, and hopefully I shall see you soon next year, same place, same time. Goodbye, take care, and make sure you have lunch before you go, because I definitely will. Thank you.